welcome back to another review. So today we're doing one from First Aid Beauty, and this is their Ultra Repair Cream. Now I have a 2-ounce sample size. The full-size tube is 8 ounces and like $46. They also make a tub of it that's like $38. You can buy both of them on firstaidbeauty.com. You can get them at Sephora, Ulta, probably Amazon. You know the drill, just look around for it. But anyway, so it's intense hydration, skin protectant, and has colloidal oatmeal in it. You can use it to help hydrate dry, parched skin, temporarily help relieve minor irritation and itching due to eczema and other conditions. So the active ingredient is colloidal oatmeal. The directions are just apply as needed. So this is like very, very greasy stuff. It reminds me a lot of Eucerin, actually. But that said, it's actually not as thick. Like, it comes out like this. I'm not going to put a whole ton on right now, but I tried it yesterday when my skin was really dry and itchy, but like, you can see it actually is quite thin when you go to apply it, which is surprising. Well, I'll put it on the other side just so we're matchy-matchy, but it does absorb in pretty well, but I mean, if you used it on your hands, like, they would probably, like, still have that greasy feel, that, like, the lotion feel that bugs me so freaking much. We all know this, but for very dry, very itchy skin, it actually works hella well. Like, within, like, 10 or 15 minutes, my skin was no longer itchy, so that was wonderful, because it was making me absolutely insane yesterday, so, and still feels great today. I'm just putting this on for example purposes now, but I wanted to try it first to see how it worked, because hard to really, like, do it on camera and say, how did it work on, like, a first try, so now I have the experience under my belt, now I can speak on it. But, it doesn't really have a fragrance at all to speak of, but it does have that same scent as Eucerin, so if you know what that smells like, it just smells identical to that, so I'm guessing maybe that's the scent of colloidal oatmeal or something, or just something else that's in it, I'm not sure. But it's not like a fragrance kind of a scent, you know? But regardless, I was just like so taken aback that it's not super thick when you go to apply it, because that's the big difference between this and Eucerin. Eucerin's really thick, and this one's like, oh, that's actually kind of sheer, alright. Okay, I'm on board. That'll absorb in a lot easier for being thinner like that. But yeah, just saying, like, the only drawback is if you use it on your hands, it's gonna freaking stay greasy. The other drawback that I've seen other people mention is because it's, I think because they said it's silicone based, if you try to use it on your face in conjunction with any other products, it will pill up. So keep that in mind. I didn't put it on my face, just because I assumed it was gonna be thick. So I was like, that sounds like a surefire recipe for breakouts, and I don't need any help in that department, thank you. So I did not try it on my face, but my arms were very, very dry and itchy yesterday, and they look and feel great today. It's only been like 24 hours. So, just saying, yeah, it's a high price tag, but this stuff really does work, and it works really well, even in, like, one use. So I think for that, it is very much worth the money. I am definitely glad that I have this. I wish I had a bigger size of it. I'm probably gonna end up buying one of the bigger sizes. I haven't decided if I want to get the tube or if I want to get the tub. I don't know. But regardless, this stuff is good. You should definitely have it on hand if you're prone to eczema or if you're prone to just itchy, flaky skin. Very, very good. Very effective. So, even if you have sensitive skin, it still works wonderful. So, anyway, that is about that for this one. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.